Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So the day I post this video will be Ganesh Chaturthi. So first of all, happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of you. As you can see behind me in this video, I will share with you guys how to make this mandap. Literally guys, in less than 10 minutes, you can make this and it is so versatile. You can use it how I'm using it today. If not, whenever you have that special puja, you want to make it something different than usual, then definitely you need to try this. And once you are done using it, if you want to store it, I'll show you also how to do that too. So let's get started. So to make this mandap, first of all, we need 3 8 by 24 8 sticks. These I bought it from Lowe's. You can find it at the Home Depot too. And if it's more than 24 inches, they can cut it for you. And these are 5 8 by 24. We need 4 of them. Now this block, I bought it from Hobby Lobby. I was gonna use it for base, but then later I changed it, which I will show you which one I was using. Also, we need hot glue gun. Now, if you do want to make this permanent, let's say you want to make it and forget about it, then you can go ahead and use the wood glue. But in my case, I was planning to store this, so I'm using the hot glue gun here. So first you want to go ahead and line all those 3 8 by 24 inches stick. We're gonna make the frame first. So here I'm lining up just to make sure they are even, because sometimes when they cut it, if it's not even, then you can use the sandpaper and you can just sand it a little bit and that will take care of it too. Since the stick is 24 inches, first I'm going to mark it at the 8 inches and the next one is the 16 inches. So that way, once I line up all the stick, they will be even and this will be our frame for mandap. So once you have all the bark, after that, it's really quick because I'm using hot glue here. Now, if you're using wood glue, that will take a little bit time to dry, but the hot glue dry within a few seconds. So this frame was ready in less than 5 minutes. So here our frame is ready. We're gonna work now on the fourth side. Now first I decided to use this block which I bought it from Hobby Lobby. In the beginning everything was fine, but then as soon as I put the frame on top of that, it wasn't standing properly because the base of this block wasn't flat enough. So then I changed it to the block which I bought it from Dollar Tree. Now if you have seen my DIY kitchen stand video, you must have seen it, and in case if you have missed that video, I will link it down below in the description box because that is again really easy DIY kitchen stand, so don't miss that video. So here as you can see, everything was fine, but as soon as I tried to put it on top, nothing worked. So I called even kids to help me out with this and didn't work at all. So finally I just changed the block and then after that it was fine. Now, let's say you want to go ahead and store this. Once you are done with the puja, you want to go ahead and store this. Basically, all you need to do at that point is use the hair dryer and wherever you put the hot glue, hold it there just for a few seconds or so, and that will loosen up the glue and then you can deconstruct this and just store it. But here, as you can see, I do have the other block and our frame is ready. It looks perfect. So mandap is ready. Now we're gonna go ahead and decorate this. Now these are the coaster which I bought it from the Dollar Tree. They were just $1 each, and also I bought this feet from Hobby Lobby. We're gonna make small chalky out of it. So all you need to do is use the hot glue, and that's about it. So you can make really easy chalky or the stand, and as you can see, it looks really cute. So as you saw, it is really easy to make and you can decorate this however you like it. You can do spray paint on it. The reason I didn't do it is because I knew I was gonna decorate this with the garland. But either you can spray paint this entire white. If not, red and green combination will look really nice too. Because if you have seen my DIY Puja Mandir video, you've seen that combination with the accent like gold color in there will look really nice. So in case if you have missed that video, I will link it down below in the description box. But that combination, actually, I was also thinking about doing it. So this garland, I bought it from Hobby Lobby, and the marigold one, I bought it when I went to India. But I'm sure nowadays, many Indian stores carry it. If not, you can find this on Etsy too. So you can decorate this however you like it. You can even add some LED lights on it, and that also will look really nice. Guys, what can I say about this? It is so cute, right? So as I mentioned, this coaster, I bought it from Dollar Tree, and the feet I got it from Hobby Lobby, and instantly this itty bitty cute stand is ready. Now, if you want to use it as a chalky, obviously you need a bigger tile, which you can find it at Home Depot or Lowe's. It comes in so many different varieties and colors, so you can buy the tile, attach the feet, and your chalky is ready. So this particular one, I'm using it as a stand like this. And I do have this one more where I have Ganpati ji right now. That one also I did stencil on it. So, you know, the stand itself, you can find it at either Home Goods or Ross. The one that I have it, I bought it from Ross, and I just used the stencil on it. So, you know, you can decorate your chalky that way also. I do have this one chalky also. This one is from India, but I know many of the Indian store also carry it too. So if you want to have something traditional like this, you can find it at इंडियन स्टोर. जब भी कुछ हम DIY करते हैं, स्पेशली भगवान के लिए कुछ बनाते हैं ना, तो वो स्पेशल बन ही जाता है. तो डेफिनेटली ट्राई करना आप. जैसे मैंने बताया, बनने में बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं लगेगा. मुझे भी बनाने में टाइम नहीं लगा था, उतना डेकोरेट करने में गया. So definitely try this, guys. If you have any question, leave the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.